big yawn.
Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a burp in there for us?
He looks so funny. He looks like an old Asian man.